Wahala dey everywhere. At times if you reason some kind things, you go even think say matter don finish. You no go know say matter still dey gidigba. Okay, see this marriage now. See this lady wey just do her white wedding. The husband, just because of say the husband find out say the person wey take as an in-law, as a mother-in-law, the husband find out say na the sister to the lady, say no be mother. You understand? No be her mama be that. Na the guy say for that reason he no go marry again. Excuse me, does that? You understand? Whether you know as whether her mama dey alive, na be one of the things that you need to check. Because at times, if mama don die like this, anybody wey dey close to you, you can use that person to cover up. Yes, na wetin me I understand. Anybody wey dey close to you in your family house,